Number 11, Jane drives at a constant speed of 57.2 miles per hour. How far should she expect to drive in 3/4 of an hour? Okay, so we would have to multiply these. I'm going to write the 57.2, and we're going to convert the 3/4 to a decimal, which is 0.75. And if you count, there are 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal. So you can pretty much treat this as whole numbers and multiply 572 by 75, and just make sure you put 3 numbers behind the decimal. Okay, so I'm going to kind of ignore that. Okay, so instead of worrying about lining everything up, I'm just thinking about 572 times 75 and put 3 numbers behind the decimal. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 7, 35. 1 is 36. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 3 is 28. And then 7 times 2 is 14. 1, same thing. 7, 7 is 49. Plus 1 is 50. This is a 5, 7, and 5. 35 plus 5 is 40. Okay, so we get 0, 6, and 4 is 10. Carry a 1, that'll be 9, 2, and 4. We need 3 numbers behind the decimal, so we get 42.9. So we would expect her to drive 42.9 miles. All right, number 12, we want to round each of the following numbers as specified. So this first number we're going to round to the nearest 100. So 7. We look at the number in front of it is a 5. So if it's 5 or more, we round up. So this is going to be rounded to 800. B, we're going to round to the nearest 10th. So that would be the first place after the decimal. We look at the hundreds, it's 5 or more, so we would round that up to an 8. So whatever digit you round, everything else behind it goes to 0. Numbers after the decimal, zeros after the decimal don't matter unless they are in front of a number. So 753.8. 753.8. Alright, C wants us to round to the unit. When they say unit, they're talking about the ones. So the 10th place is 5 or more. That will round up to a 4. So 754. D, we want to round to the nearest 10. So this 5. The number in front of it is a 3. It's not big enough to round it up, so we're going to leave it at 750. And everything else goes to 0. 750. And then E, we're going to round to the nearest 1,000. So 1,000 place, we have nothing there right now, but we look at the hundreds place, it is 5 or more, so we round up to 1,000.